Sir, you have
We have our LPT party. We have attended meeting. Honorable Notice Advisor Mr. G is
what was the main agenda?
just previous 5 years we have coalition government with the many issue we have submitted and regarding the last previous 5 years. Our honorable wait and see that one some agenda was purchased in cabinet. That matter we just discussed.
Was Triplaland in that? Triplaland?
It is our core demand.
You have raised that issue?
Discuss regarding our separate issue.
Thank you.